In this video, I will show you how you can fix the no sound problem in PUBG Mobile on any iPhone. Now, if you're facing the no sound problem while playing PUBG Mobile on your iPhone, now to fix this issue, first of all, just open PUBG Mobile on your iPhone. Now, after you open PUBG Mobile, then just tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner on the screen, then go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Audio and Haptics. Now, under the audio section, just increase the slider for all the audio options. As you can see, these are all the audio options. Now just set all the audio sliders to the max. Now, after you set all the audio sliders to the max, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now, if silent mode is enabled on your iPhone, just turn it off. And also, if the ringtones and alert slider is on low, just increase it from here. After you do that, then just open the control center, and from here just check if the sound is low or not. If the sound is low, just increase it from here. And after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on accessibility. Now just scroll down and tap on audio and visual, and on this page you will find the option for balance. Now if this slider is either on the right side or on the left side, you will face sound issues. So make sure you set this slider to the center. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. From this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset All Settings. Now it might ask you to enter the passcode of the lock screen, but after you do that, then just tap on Reset All Settings. And by doing this, you will reset all the settings of your iPhone. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the no sound problem in PUBG Mobile on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.